They missed. No, she did. She had mailed it to them.
Good afternoon, respected chairperson and all the respected person here. Today I am going to present my paper entitled Effectiveness of ICT-enabled teaching techniques in improving English language proficiency. In the content part, I have given a brief overview, introduction, review of literature. In the introductory part, I have given ICT-based teaching and what is illiteracy and digital literacy, ICT implementation in English language teaching, and the ongoing technological changes. My objectives of study is to investigate learners' attitudes and perceptions towards ICT-enabled teaching techniques and their impact on English language learning, to identify the factors that influence the effectiveness of ICT-enabled teaching techniques, to investigate the challenges and limitations of implementing ICT-enabled teachings, and to measure the changes after implementing the ICT curriculum that promotes positive and supportive interdependence between teachers and students. This is a qualitative descriptive study. And now, what is ICT? ICT is Information Communication Technology. ICT is the form of technology that is used to transmit, process, store, create, display, share, or exchange information by electronic means. What is there in ICT-enabled teaching techniques? There are vast amounts of reading materials available online, and written exchanges have been made much simpler by email, instant messaging, and course management system. So reading skill, listening skill, and speaking skill, and writing skill can be enhanced through ICT. And challenges of integration of ICT is lack of proper technical support facilities in institutions, fear of equipment breakdown, software malfunctioning in ICT classroom, language-related challenges, lack of English language proficiency, etc. Discussion is ICT integration in language learning environment is affected by 5 factors, namely teacher, student, educational materials, infrastructure, and management. Unification of ICT and ELT focuses on the following factors: teachers' technological competencies, student access to infrastructure and equipment, pedagogical knowledge of ICT tools, students' digital literacy, institutional support, and teachers' attitude towards technology. And there are supportive policies that they are to maintain, to blend ICT and ELT. In the concluding part, there is a hope that computers should be a panacea for those trying to learn second languages, has been realized now. And digital technology can provide instructors and students with a new battery of tools with which English language can be learned easily. Thank you.
Thank you, Worship, for your nice presentation.